Have you ever gotten frustrated talking to customer service because you can't show the problem visually? That's where Video Elevation can come to the rescue. When you buy something like a bicycle part online, the convenience is great, but sometimes assembly can get complicated. Paul has been working all afternoon to put his new drivetrain together, but just can't get the part to fit correctly. Everything he tries doesn't seem to work. Paul calls the customer service line to see what his options are. The agent suggests elevating to a video session to troubleshoot the problem together. Paul agrees, and the agent sends him a link. He clicks the link on his mobile phone, which allows him to use his camera to display video to the agent. The agent quickly sees that the spacer was wrong and advises on how to place the drivetrain correctly. Within minutes, Paul installs the new part on his bike. He's ready to get out and ride. Because the agent was able to spot and fix the issue remotely, Paul got instant service without the need to travel to a shop. Video Elevation allows you to easily resolve complex, high-touch customer issues, all while being easy for agents to use. 8x8 Contact Center. All the essentials for the complete AI-enabled contact center.